Before we begin, let me ask you something. How are you really feeling right now? If you're tired, stressed, or your mind feels heavy, this episode is for you. Take a slow breath. You're safe here. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Brave English Learners, the place to practice real English in a calm and friendly way. My name is Emma.
And I'm Alex. We're very happy you're learning English with us today. So, Emma, how are you feeling?
Honestly, a little tired. I had a busy weekend and my mind is still catching up.
I know that feeling. My weekend was quiet and I loved it. Sometimes slow days help us breathe again.
Today, we're talking about something very important for life and English.
We're talking about the power of positivity.
Not fake happiness, not smile all the time, but small, real habits that help us feel lighter, even on hard days. And don't worry, this episode is perfect for A2 to B1 learners. Slow, clear, real English. Here's our first idea. You can't always change your day, but you can change your next 5 minutes. Yes, sometimes my mind wakes up and says, let's think about everything that's wrong. Same. My brain is very creative with worries. When that happens, I try one small thing. I open a window, I drink water, I listen to one calm song.
Those small moments don't fix everything, but they help your mind relax a little. Let's talk about worry. Many people worry about things they can't control.
Like the past, other people's opinions, or tomorrow.
When I feel worried, I ask myself one question. What is one small thing I can control right now?
Maybe it's taking a short walk. Maybe it's resting. Maybe it's studying English for 10 minutes.
When we focus on small actions, our mind feels calmer. Goals are important, but they should be kind.
Yes, big goals can feel scary. Small goals feel possible. For example, today I will practice English for 5 minutes. That's enough. When you do small goals every day, confidence grows slowly and naturally. So today, remember this. Positivity is not loud.
It's quiet. It's gentle. It's one good choice at a time.
And even on bad days, you're still moving forward. Now it's your turn.
Tell us in the comments, what is one small positive habit you want to try?
Thank you for learning with Brave English Learners. Keep practicing your English. Be kind to yourself.
And don't forget to watch our next video on the screen for more easy English practice.
See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.